Hey guys, got a new pouch here to show you. Got some design aspects that make it work really well for EOD techs. One thing is these pockets on the back, so you can get quick access to, got a non-con probe on this side and then a digging knife over here. Pull them out, jam them right back in. It keeps it nice and flat right up against your body. Looking down at the top, we wanted the pouch to have everything accessible while also being retained. So you can open it all the way up and nothing's falling out. You can reach in, grab what you want. So grab some vice grips and you can go ahead and hook in, do whatever you're doing. If you need to find some cover, everything that's in there is still in there. It's not going to go flying everywhere the way it would with a more traditional like clamshell design. We've got a few other things. We got pulleys tucked in there. There's hook knives right across the top. We've got some slings right underneath that are accessible. Coming around to the front is the coolest feature. So we open up this flap and we have a cutter and tape accessible. The cutter with these 9mm snap-off blades with ceramic blades give you a non-conductive knife. Very quickly accessible. Just open it up, there it is. The other thing is tape. Tape's something that every bomb tech's going to be walking around with. Usually it's clipped in a carabiner or it's got a zip tie through it and kind of flapping around and is generally obnoxious. With this, you can slide it in there, pull it out. It's always in the same spot. It's tucked away where it's not going to get caught on anything. Going further down is the best feature of this. You've got 50 foot of webbing in this pocket right here. The great thing about the webbing is it's naturally non-tangling, so you can wrap it up and just stuff it in there. Then when you need it, you can just drop it and deploy it, walk away. We've got one of our hooks anchored to this point right here in the middle. So for left-handed or right-handed use, it's always going to be right there in the same spot. And then the other end of this line is anchored in the back. So whenever if you're walking away, you won't lose the end of your line. So you can pull out the hook, go ahead and snap it on to whatever it is that you're using. Use it and just take this out, dump it, and go. It's a really quick way of setting in a like a fast-paced assault support type environment or anywhere else where you don't want to be hanging out right over an IED. Even with this thing open, everything is retained. It's not going to go leaving a trail of tools behind you. And then whenever you're done, you can just ball it right back up, stuff it in there, and you're moving again. You don't have the same standoff as you would with one of our speed reels, but it's right here. Everything is in the same pouch. Everything is easily accessible. You don't have to dig through a backpack or a dump pouch or anything else. It's all right here in this one unit.